the 2019 Buick Encore. Top features include power windows, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, a blind spot monitoring system, front dual-zone air conditioning, power moonroof, heated door mirrors, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel-mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive assures superb handling in any weather condition. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.